Whenever preparation meets opportunity, miracles happen in life. So be prepared for the opportunity. Whenever you get the opportunity, grab it with both the hands. I would like to tell you a story. In this story, what happens is father and son will live together. One day they'll bring the new horse to their home. Neighbors will come to their home next day and they tell them that what a wonderful horse you have bought. What a good luck you have. You got the best horse in this society. And the next morning, the horse will leave these two people and run away. And after the horse has run away, neighbors will again come to them and tell them that what a bad luck, you bought the horse and it went away. This is the bad luck you have, is what they tell them. And after one day, the horse which has went away will bring 10 horses, 10 new horses along with it. It will bring the wild horses which are very strong, very fit. The neighbors again come to them and tell what a good luck you have, is what they tell them. And after one day, once the person is riding the horse, the son is riding the horse, he'll fall down from the horse and he'll break his leg. He'll come back home and seeing his broken leg, the neighbors will say that what a bad luck you have. Because of this horse, your son's leg has broken. And later next day, war will be announced in the surroundings. Between two kingdoms, war will be announced, and the king will announce that from each family you need to send your son who is fit and fine to the war. From each family, one of the persons will go to the war, but in this family the son has broken his leg. With broken leg he can't do the war, so he'll be left over. Warriors couldn't take the son along with them and they'll go back empty handed from this family. The neighbors will again come to them and say them that what a good luck you have. All our sons went to the war and we don't know whether they come back live or not, but your son is with you. They did not take him. What a good luck you have, is what they tell them, and they leave the place. So here the story ends. There is a wonderful moral in this story. The moral of this story is, in life also, we always feel we have good luck when right things are happening in our life. We always feel bad luck when wrong things are happening in our life. But everything is part and parcel of our life. Everything happens for a reason. So we need not worry about anything in life. We should control only what we can control in our life. We shouldn't try to take the control of those things which are not in our control. Like sunlight, rain, these are not in our control. The only things which are in our control is we can work hard and wait for the result. End of the day, we might fail or succeed. Doesn't matter. We should have that smile on our face, because we can smile. That is in our hands. That is in our control. Whatever is not in our control, we shouldn't worry about that. In life also, so many times we feel good luck when right things are happening to us. For example, if you message a person in Instagram or Facebook and the other person replies you, you feel so happy. Once the chat continues, once you exchange the phone numbers, you take the phone numbers and you are able to see the WhatsApp status of the other person, you feel so happy the other person saved your number. But later stages of the life, once you become closer and closest, then the real things start. You start fighting, you start owning the other person, you start to scold them, you will be having nothing to talk to them, so you start fighting with them. Then you'll feel so disappointed. But at that moment also, you need to realize what good luck you have felt when you got the number of the other person. When you got the reply, you felt you are the luckiest person in the world. But once you are fighting, once you are not speaking to each other, you feel that you are the most unlucky person in the world. The same luck situation has changed to the unluck situation. So that is what happens in our life. Whatever we are wanting to happen, if that happens, you feel so lucky. Whatever you are wanting or expecting to happen, that is not happening, you feel so unlucky. So try to understand, good luck and bad luck depends on our mindset. If we take everything in a positive way, everything seems to be luck. Everything seems to be bad luck if you take it in a negative way. So try to see the things in the positive way. Once you have broken a relation with a person, that is not the end of the life. If a girl or boy rejects you, that is not the end of the life. You feel so unlucky for that, but try to understand there are so many other people in the world. The person who is right for you may come into your life at right time. So then you feel so lucky. Everything which is happening in our life happens for a reason, happens for a good reason only. Will unnecessarily feel sad for those things. Any person coming into your life will come for a reason. Any person going away from your life will go for a better reason. So try to understand, never feel sad for the person who left you. Always make people happy who are with you. So try to understand, life is not meant to be sad. Life is always meant to be happy. Never think this is the bad luck I have. Always whatever happens for a reason. So something is not happening good to you today, that means tomorrow will be the best day. So something you are expecting in life, you are not getting that, that itself means that the better is waiting for you, the best is waiting for you. Try to understand, if your life is not going according to your will, something best might happen tomorrow. So wait for tomorrow, the best time will definitely come. Don't expect anything in life. Whatever you get, accept that in your life. That will make you very happy. So don't try to control each and everything in life. Just control yourself, control your inner world, then outer world, whatever you see will look amazing. So try to change your inner world and you become amazing. Then the outer world seems to be more bright and more beautiful. Never feel sad in life, never regret in life. Keep smiling. Everything happens for the best only. So always accept whatever you get in your life. So just try to control whatever you can control. Try to control your emotions, your anger, your anxiety. Try to control these things. You can't control the other person's emotions, other person's anger. So just focus on your life, then your life will turn out to be amazing. That's it from my side. My name is Vamshi Krishna Reddy. I'll come up with another story very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.